Lita, what a tremendous win for RVD and Kane this past Monday night on Raw. And you got to believe that both of those men should be in the Royal Rumble match next Sunday night. But getting to Jeff Hardy real quick, what the hell was what we just heard a few moments ago? I have no idea what Jeff Hardy just said. You don't know me to stop.
I do know he's ready for his match with the Hurricane.
Weighing 218 pounds, Jeff Hardy!
Well, folks, PlayStation 2 presents the WWE Royal Rumble. The Royal Rumble will be live next Sunday from the sold-out Fleet Center in Boston, Mass. Exclusively on pay-per-view. PlayStation 2, live in your world. Oh.
And playing on.
Stay in the back.
That right.
There's a hurricane coming through.
Should be a very evenly matched, very quick-paced main event here on Heat. The Hurricane goes one-on-one with Jeff Hardy. And folks, WWE Anthology is still flying off every shelf of every music store, not just in North America, but the world over. Do you have your copy yet?
I got my
Of
copy.
course you do, because you're on it! They have yet to put the coach's music on Anthology. I think that's going to be like the 4th CD of the set.
Yeah?
Yeah, announcer's music.
I think it starts off over the rainbow.
Well, here we go, the Hurricane. I love this part. I love this
It's so
part.
cute.
Call me a softie, call me what you will, an emotional roller coaster, whatever. Did you just say you thought it was cute?
Coach,
Oh,
I think you're an emotional roller coaster.
Yes. Well, that fan is going to be a Hurricane fan for life. Probably won't wash his face for at least, well, he's a kid.
Until his
Probably
mom makes
never.
him.
Well, nice gesture of good sportsmanship there. Here we go. Jeff Hardy and the Hurricane, one-on-one.
Interesting matchup because these two guys, no issue, no history. Both good guys. So we have to see who's going to get intense and step up, and you know they're just going to have to go for it.
But they're both, very competitive. And when you talk about no issues, both men, wait a second, here's a cover, 1-2, and a quick kick out by the Hurricane. And what quick pacing early on here in this matchup. Wow. Nice arm drag by Jeff Hardy. And wow.
Jeff Hardy and Hurricane have a pose down of their own.
I think so. When you talk about these two guys, I guess you could call them friends per se. They really have no issues with each other. But next Sunday at the Royal Rumble, in the Royal Rumble match itself, there are no friends. So if these two would happen to face off, they have to go after one another.
Oh, absolutely. There's a lot of issues that can happen as far as you have no friends in the Royal Rumble whatsoever.
When you look at that card top to bottom, of course the anticipation every year is for the Royal Rumble match itself, but you also have Triple H and Scott Steiner. You have Kurt Angle one-on-one with Chris Benoit for the WWE Championship. Nice spinning heel kick by Jeff Hardy. Also, you have the Big Show one-on-one with Brock Lesnar. The winner of that match goes into the Royal Rumble match. So right there, you have an entire pay-per-view, and that's not even the whole thing. Oh, my goodness.
Absolutely not. So much going on.
Well, here we go. Jeff Hardy and the Hurricane set the lock up one more time. And, folks, don't forget, tomorrow night on Raw, as we heard going off the air this past week, Mr. McMahon will be in the house. What does Mr. McMahon want? We have no idea, but we're sure to find out tomorrow night. We haven't seen Mr. McMahon for a long, long time.
Right, so certainly he's not just coming for no good old reason. Stop by and say hello, maybe.
Mr. McMahon does not do that. Maybe he's coming. Oh, catching Jeff Hardy square. And nearly a pinfall on Jeff Hardy. But I'm assuming, and it's just an assumption, that Mr. McMahon is coming to deal with Eric Bischoff. I don't think Jeff Hardy, he didn't appreciate that very much.
Get mad like that.
Well, that handshake was a long time ago right now for both of these
Long
men.
since forgotten.
Well, that's what we're talking about. Oh, double close on, and now both men are down.
Still much on the same page.
Oh,
Trying to
here's the
feel each
double
other out.
cover, too. And the double shoulder up.
Double cover, double shoulder up.
Yes.
Right back to square one.
Well, this is exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to next Sunday. These men can't worry about liking each other. They have to worry about the bigger picture. And, Lady, you know the bigger picture is the fact that the winner goes on to WrestleMania and faces their respective champion, whoever they're on Raw or SmackDown.
Right, what
Oh, wait a second. Here's the cover. Hook and leg 1-2 and a kick out by Jeff Hardy.
a big opportunity for either of these two superstars in the ring, as well as anybody, but for Hurricane and Jeff Hardy, And, you know, it really doesn't look like they're worrying about their friendship at this point in the match.
You know, and the rules of the Royal Rumble match are very, very simple. Two men begin the ring. Oh, Hurricane has Jeff Hardy down. Will this be enough? 1, 2. And getting the shoulder up again is Jeff Hardy. But you can see the impact it took on the back of the neck of Jeff Hardy. But the rule is very simple. Two men begin the match. Every minute thereafter, another superstar will enter until only one is left standing, and you're eliminated by being tossed over the top rope. But, oh!
Hurricane going for the eye of the Hurricane, but Jeff reversing with the reverse of fate.
And now Jeff Hardy has the Hurricane right where he wants it.
Straight into the compactor.
And this may be enough. The compactor's on. Oh, and the Hurricane is able to spin out somehow from that cover. And remember, both feet in the Royal Rumble match have to hit the ground. That's very important because we've seen in the past years a lot of controversy. Oh, now the Hurricane is going for the choke slam. But Jeff Hardy able to kick the Hurricane in the midsection. And now reversal. And Jeff Hardy rolling up the Hurricane. This may be enough. He caught him square. Oh, somehow the Hurricane is able to kick out. We thought this would be a great matchup, and it certainly turned out to be just that.
Very high-paced. And it looks like Jeff Hardy is going up.
Are you losing your voice?
Only temporarily.
Jeff Hardy setting up the Hurricane. But nobody is home as the Hurricane is able to roll out of the way. And now the Hurricane very quickly right back up on top of Jeff Hardy. Oh, wait a second. And now Jeff Hardy. Oh, the Hurricane is able to hang on to the top rope. Oh!
Shining Wizard!
You called it exactly right. The Hurricane taking advantage and picking up the
Here
win.
is your winner, the Hurricane.
These two superstars, we said it, can flat out go, and look at that little fan.
Somebody's happy.
I told you he'd be a fan for a long time, and nobody is happier for the Hurricane than that little guy right there. But check this out. Oh! The Hurricane trying to help Jeff Hardy, and out of nowhere, I thought Raven was going. Raven with the Raven effect, and what the world, what issues does Raven have
I
with the
thought we
Hurricane?
were going 1 week, Raven free.
Oh, but Jeff Hardy right back in. Oh!
Splitter.
And he catches Raven where the sun don't even think about shining, my friends. And now the Hurricane and Jeff Hardy teaming up. Double clothesline over the top rope. And down goes Raven. Deserving every second of that.
He shouldn't even been here tonight, Coach.
Raven had no business sticking his nose in where it doesn't belong. But then again, we've been saying that about Raven.
Oh,